Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that every MacBook owner needs to know about, the new LCD screen for MacBook Air Pro 13, A1932 A2179 A2337 A1706 A1708 A1989 A2159 A2251 A2289 A2338 display assembly replacement. If you've ever experienced the frustration of a cracked or malfunctioning screen on your MacBook, then this is the solution you've been looking for. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and tutorials. Now, let's get into it. This LCD screen replacement is compatible with a wide range of MacBook models, ensuring that no matter which version you have, we've got you covered. Before you place your order, make sure to double-check your model and screen size to ensure a perfect fit. And if you are unsure, our customer service team is here to help guide you through the process. The installation process is made simple with the included tools, and we also offer tutorials to assist you every step of the way. It's important to note that any damage caused during the installation will not be compensated, so we recommend taking your time and following the instructions carefully. So why should you invest in this replacement display assembly? Well, not only will it restore your MacBook to its original pristine condition, but it also saves you the hassle and cost of taking it to a repair shop. With our high-quality screen, you'll be back to enjoying crystal clear visuals and seamless functionality in no time. Don't let a damaged screen hold you back. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the new LCD screen for MacBook Air Pro 13, A1932 A2179 A2337 A1706 A1708 A1989 A2159 A2251 A2289 A2338 display assembly replacement today. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.